Guys, back with another video. Today I wanted to make a pineapple pound cake, but I didn't have enough pineapple. So what I did was I had some frozen mixed fruit, and I put this in the blender, and of course you see we have strawberries, peaches, and all that. So what I did, I used that instead, and also have some pineapple. So what I have that in here. But if you have just pineapple, just use that. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our 3 sticks of softened butter, and we're going to just put it in the bowl. I'm going to open up the trash so I can just put it in the trash. And I've already greased my pan, my bundt pan, with the favorite Pam. It's perfect release. I already have the flour and the butter, you know, the old-fashioned way. It already had that in there. So we just go ahead and add that into the pan. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to add, it calls for 3 cups, but I don't like mine's too sweet, so I have 2 and 2/3 cups of sugar. We're going to add all that in there. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to blend this up very well, and I will be back once the butter, softened butter, and the sugar is already blended. Okay guys, I have my softened butter, which was 3 sticks of room temperature. Don't forget to have it room temperature softened butter, and the sugar. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So let's get that in here. 1 tablespoon. Smells so good. So that's 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. All right, and then we're going to add 2 teaspoons, about my teaspoon, of orange extract. I wish they had pineapple extract, but I didn't see any in the store when I went today. So let's add 2 teaspoons of orange extract. It smells really good too. So that is 2 teaspoons. All right. We got that all added in. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add 5 room temperature eggs in here, and I'm going to mix them. I'm going to drop 1 egg at a time, and then I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix until after each egg, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to add is 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder into the mix. Oh, let me use this to put this down. So what I have over here, I have 3 cups. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. The camera fell. So next thing we're going to add is 3 cups of Swan's Down cake flour and 1 cup of evaporated milk. And we're going to alternate as we doing it. And I'll be back once I get it all mixed together. Okay guys, I have my batter all mixed together. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your fruit that's, you know, already been drained, and your crushed fruit, and you're just going to add that into the mixture. And like I said, I wanted to do just pineapple, but because I didn't have enough, I used the mixed fruit package, frozen package. And we're just going to, you know, see if I can get this on. We're just going to go ahead and just fold that in. Not going to stir it, just going to fold it in. Fold all that in. And I'll be back once I get it all folded in. Okay, guys, I have all my fruit folded into the batter. And I've already greased my bundt pan with this. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get enough room over here. Add it to the pan. Add your batter to your pan. It's evenly divided, distributed throughout the pan. Trying to get every bit out. And once I put this into the pan, I put it on this little sheet pan because just in case anything overflows, it will get onto the pan instead of the oven. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'll have it all distributed throughout the pan. We're going to put it into the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. And then I'll be back when I take it out. Okay, guys, the cake is done. I let it bake on 350 for 1 hour. So now I'm going to let it cool off. And now we're going to get ready to make the icing that's going to go on top. Okay, what I'm going to use is powdered sugar, orange extract, vanilla extract, and I'm going to use some evaporated milk. No need to throw it away, so we're going to use it for the icing. So now we're going to get started putting in the powdered sugar, and you're going to use, I don't measure, I just see what consistency I like and how much frosting I desire. So, but you're not going to use too much liquid, because you put too much liquid, you have to add more powdered sugar. So let's get started. First, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of orange extract. I just add a little bit of that, a little at a time, and now some vanilla extract. All right. Now we're going to go ahead in with the evaporated milk. A little bit at a time. And I'm going to just keep doing this until I get the consistency I want, and I will be back. Okay, guys, I have made the frosting, and this is the consistency I desire. I didn't want it real loose, and what I did, I just kept adding the four ingredients until I got the consistency and the taste that I desire. Let me get some water. Okay, so now we're going to drizzle it onto the cake. And what I went back and I added a plate up under it. So let's go ahead and drizzle it onto our cake. You can drizzle it however you desire. However you desire to put it up there. Then we're going to come back and we're going to do a taste test. So now I have it all drizzled on my cake, and I'm going to use the rest of it, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do a taste test. Okay, so now we're going to cut into the cake. And let's see what the inside look like. See if I get a bigger piece, then you can see what the inside looks like. Okay, here it is. Smells delicious. So we're going to do a taste test and then view. Okay, guys. Hold on, cut this little light back on. Okay. I don't know why the lighting keeps cutting off, but we're going to give it a taste test and let's see. Very moist. I can taste the different fruits that I put in here, and I'm glad I didn't put the whole 3 cups of sugar, because when I do that, it's too sweet for me. But this is pretty good. I think I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this cake. But this cake is very delicious. You can see I keep eating it. But you guys give it a try. And maybe you just use the pineapple, crushed pineapples, and you'll get more of a pineapple taste. And because I didn't have all pineapples, you guys saw what I used. It doesn't have more of a pineapple, but I can taste the orange extract in here. And it is good and very moist. You guys be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.